Users start from their web browser, or they can go straight from designs to parts with CATIA or Solidworks immersive access. Issues in the geometry quality or within design rules are automatically detected and fixed. These specifications are driven by a formal process using industry standards, which consist of process, material, tolerance, finishing options, delivery dates, and more. The marketplace recommends the best partners for the job using KPIs related to their past experience on similar parts, materials, and processes. From there, a service provider is selected and their request is finalized. At this stage, buyers and sellers collaborate to adjust the specifications, the turnaround time, and the quote, always using 3D as the universal language. This collaboration is fully historized to ensure traceability. The buyer then confirms the order using global payment methods available on the marketplace. Finally, the order is processed and delivered. This triggers the payout to the service provider by the 3D Experience marketplace.